Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of web technology. Our first question is, which of the following is a popular content framework for building user interfaces in JavaScript? Given options are Django, Angular, Flux, Node.js. So here correct answer is option B, Angular. Angular is widely used front-end framework specifically designed for creating dynamic and interactive user interfaces in JavaScript. Our next question, why are images often used on web pages? Given options are A, to create graphical buttons or links to other pages. Option B, to help the web pages load efficiently. Option C, web page cannot run or be displayed without at least one image. Option D, because web page does not support pure text. Here, correct option is option A, to create graphical buttons or links to other pages. So, images are also used for better presentation of web pages. Any image can be turned into a link rather than putting text between the opening a tag and the closing a tag. You simply place an image inside this text. Our next question, what application can one create even before the introduction of HTML5? So before HTML5, forms are introduced. So given options are option A, forms, option B, browser-based games, option C, web applications, option D, mobile application. So our correct answer is option A, forms. So forms were already introduced before HTML5. With the help of HTML5 and JavaScript, it became possible to create excellent mobile applications, browser-based games, web applications, and many more other applications. Our next question, what is BOM? Given options are A, application programming interface, option B, hierarchy of objects in ASP.NET, option C, convention for representing and interacting with objects in HTML documents, option D, none of the mentioned. Your correct answer is option C, convention for representing and interacting with objects in HTML documents. So the document object model is a cross-platform and language-independent convention for representing and interacting with objects in HTML, XHTML, and XML documents. Our next question, which of the following is not associated with WebSocket communication? Given options are A, HTTPS, B, WSS, C, HTTP, D, WS. Here, correct answer is option C, HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. For opening WebSocket, we call WebSocket constructor. The syntax is means variable, con, C-U-N-N, equal new WebSocket in bracket WS colon /RTYYZXZ dot WebSocket dot org /echo and in bracket brush and jump XMPP. For using secure HTTP connection, use HTTPS. WS is the new URL scheme for connecting WebSockets. There is WSS also. Thank you.